Tired of fumbling for your wallet at the checkout? Let's unlock the easiest way to pay at Target using your Venmo account. First, ensure you have the Target app installed and a Venmo account ready to go. Open the Target app on your phone. Next, navigate to the wallet section within the app. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen, often with a card icon. Here, you'll see your current payment methods. Look for an option like Add Payment Method or a plus sign icon. Tap on it to proceed. On the payment method screen, you should see Venmo as an option. If you don't, you may need to scroll down or look for a more payment options selection. Tap on the Venmo logo. The Target app will redirect you to Venmo for authorization. Here, you'll grant permission for Target to access your Venmo account for payments. Confirm the link within the Venmo app to securely connect your accounts. Alternatively, at the checkout in Target, inform the cashier that you'd like to pay with Venmo. They will present you with a QR code. Open the Venmo app and use the built-in QR code scanner, typically found by tapping the scan icon on the home screen. Scan the QR code displayed. The Venmo app will display the payment details, including the amount. To review the information and tap Pay to complete your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully paid with Venmo at Target. Enjoy your shopping and that quick, easy, and cashless checkout experience.